Aquatown, since 2008, has been the first company in China to focus on the design and sales of healthy washing products such as bidets. After 15 years, we have developed into a company integrating design, R&D, production and sales services. An innovative enterprise, Aquatown has two major categories of products: healthy washing products and maternal and infant health care products. Among them, healthy washing products include bidet seats, smart toilet seats, bidets, portable bidets, bidet sprayers, etc. Aquatown has more than 7,000 square meters of modern factory, 2 sets of dust-free production workshops, and 6 production lines, 10 injection machines well equipped with automatic baler, ultrasonic welding machine, automatic locking screw machine, and other large advanced equipment. The annual output of up to 2 million pieces. Such scale and configuration ensure that we can quickly respond to market demand, provide sufficient production capacity. Quality is an important rule for enterprise survival. Aquatown has passed ISO 9001, ISO 13485 Quality Management System certification, SMETA and Costco Factory Inspection certification, and our products have also obtained CA65, CE, Rose, REACH, and other authoritative certifications. At the same time, Aquatown has an independent laboratory for product development to conduct multiple rounds of quality testing, including live tests, transport vibration test, spool torque test, high and low temperature test, toilet seat cover pressure test, left and right spring test, soft close test, in order to maintain the excellent performance and quality of products under various environmental and use conditions. This advantage not only improves the quality of our products, but also wins us the trust and reputation of our customers. Innovation is the core driving force of enterprise development. Aquatown has a strong R&D design team, developing new design according to market demand, upgrade products that meet the growing needs of customers. Up to now, Aquatown has obtained more than 100 patent certificates, including 5 international patents and 3 United States invention patents. With excellent quality and excellent service, Aquatown has won the title of National High-Tech Enterprise and Xiamen High-Tech Enterprise. In addition, we have established close relationships with several well-known companies.